Most people spend their entire lives working for money. The wealthy spend their lives making money work for them. The difference between these two groups is not intelligence. It is not luck. It is not even opportunity. It is 5 simple money moves that anyone can start today. And in the next 6 minutes, I am going to walk you through every single one of them. Here is the uncomfortable truth about money in America today. Most people know they should be saving more. Most people know they should be investing. Most people know they are not where they want to be financially. But knowing and doing are two very different things. Today that changes. Because these 5 money moves are not complicated theories. They are not reserved for the wealthy or the educated. They are practical, proven, and you can start all 5 this week. The first money move is the foundation of everything else. Build your emergency fund. Before you invest. Before you pay extra on debt. Before anything else. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account that you never touch unless it is a genuine emergency. Here is why this is the most important first step. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected bill, every car repair, every medical expense sends you back to zero. You take on debt, you dip into savings, you start over again, over and over. With an emergency fund, life's surprises become minor inconveniences instead of financial disasters. Start with $1,000. Then build to 1 month of expenses. Then 3. Then 6. Do not move to step 2 until this foundation is solid. The second money move is the one most Americans desperately need. Destroy your high interest debt. Credit card debt in America averages 22% interest per year. That means for every $1,000 you carry on a credit card, you are paying $220 every year just for the privilege of owing that money. You cannot build wealth while paying 22% interest to a bank. It is mathematically impossible. Use the avalanche method. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay minimum payments on everything. Then attack the highest interest debt with every extra dollar you have. When it is gone, take that payment and add it to the next debt. This is called the debt avalanche. And it is the fastest way to free yourself from the financial trap that is keeping most Americans broke. The third money move is the one that will make you wealthy over time. Invest early, invest consistently, and never stop. You do not need thousands of dollars to start investing. You need consistency. $100 invested every month at an average return of 10%, which is the historical average of the S&P 500, grows to over $200,000 in 30 years. Not from putting in $200,000. From putting in $36,000 spread over 30 years. The rest, over $160,000, is pure compound growth. Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. And he was right. The key is starting now. Not when you have more money. Not when the market is right. Not when things calm down. Now. Because every year you wait costs you more than you realize. Open an index fund account today. Set up an automatic monthly contribution. Even $50, even $20, and let time do what it does best. The fourth money move is the one that changes everything. Create a second income stream. One job, one salary, one income stream. This is the most financially vulnerable position you can be in. Because if that one stream stops, everything stops with it. The wealthy never rely on one source of income. And you do not need to either. Here are the fastest ways to create a second income starting this week. Freelancing your current skills online. Writing, design, coding, marketing, accounting. Selling digital products, templates, guides, courses, ebooks. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Building an audience that eventually earns. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products you believe in and earning commission on every sale. None of these require quitting your job. None of these require a large investment. They require time, consistency, and the decision to start. The fifth and final money move is the one most people overlook. Invest in yourself. Your income is directly tied to your skills and knowledge. The more valuable your skills, the more valuable your time. The more valuable your time, the more money flows to you. Read one book per month about money, business, or personal development. Take one online course per quarter that improves a skill people will pay for. Listen to one financial or business podcast every week. The most successful people in America are obsessed with learning. Not because they have time, but because they understand that every dollar invested in knowledge returns more than any stock or investment ever could. Your mind is your greatest asset, and unlike the stock market, it never crashes. 5 money moves. Build your emergency fund. Destroy high-interest debt. Invest early and consistently. Create a second income. Invest in yourself. None of these are secrets. None of these are complicated. But all of them require one thing most people never commit to. Action. Not tomorrow. Not when you earn more. Not when things are easier. Today. Pick one of these 5 moves. Just one. And take one action toward it before you sleep tonight. That one action is the beginning of a completely different financial life. And you deserve that life. Go build it. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to win with money. Subscribe to Rise and Ignite for weekly videos on mindset and money that will change the way you think. I will see you in the next one.